You said there's something very important you want to discuss with me.
Yes, sister.
What is it?
Sister, it's very important too.
Say it now. Is that difficult?
No, it's not.
Then start.
Sister, I want to be like you.
I don't understand.
Hi, Auntie, I want to follow you to the city. I want to make money the way you used to make money, the way you have plenty. Actually, but at this village, Hamana, Paulina, land to go. Sister Biko, let me just follow you to the city.
You want to go to the city?
Yes.
Are you ready for city life?
Auntie, Mwa city. As you are seeing me, forget that I'm just looking like this. Sister, if I enter that city, they will know that Paulina has landed. Look at me, I have city doings.
You're still doing village doings.
Sister.
City doing is not a small thing.
Sure.
Do you know what? What we do to make money is not simple. Are you ready?
Sister, Isigini, I am more than ready. Just happy if any... Sister, just take me to the city. Anything you want me to do. To wash you, cook you, serve you, anything. Just tell me. Sister, you will not regret bringing me to the city.
Cooking, washing, and serving me is not what we do for a living. There are more to it.
Auntie, I want to do that more. If it will bring me money, can make the more. Let me do the more.
Are you sure?
I am 100% sure.
Okay. I'll be going back next tomorrow. I'll come and see you. Paulina, don't worry.
Come.
Hello! Sister! Paulina, you will not kill me. Girls, my cousin's sister, her name is Paulina. But I want you people to be calling her Posh. Just touch the name.
I like him, yeah.
Hi, Posh. You can call me Jackie. Jack of all trade.
Sister, what's it, Jackie? Jackie Jebu.
No.
No.
Horse. Paulina, stop. This is township. Oh, your name is Paulina. They changed it to Posh. So hers is Jackie.
Oh, hi, Jackie. Hey.
Posh, you're welcome. You can call me Uju.
I like you. I like you. Yeah. My God, boy, ofuma. Boy, obiano jonwa oda. Okay, what? Jonwa no. Ma mamu jonwa.
Paulina, this is township. Be civil.
Sorry. Please just call me Uju. It's okay.
You're welcome, girl.
You're welcome.
Don't worry, I'll get you. Posh,
Sister.
I called you because there's something I want us to discuss.
Okay.
My house is almost ready. I'll be moving by Friday.
Wow. That's great. Are you serious?
So, as my cousin, not only being my cousin, you're so dear to my house, I want to hand this house over to you.
Wait. Oh, sister, what did you say?
You heard me. I know that there were 2 girls here before you came in, but I don't want a stranger to handle this house. Not only that, you're my blood. You won't tell me nonsense any day, any time, or start dragging anything. I want you to take...
Wait. want you to start again.
It's just a house.
No. No, this is not just a house. You mean this whole place belongs to me? Oh my God! Sister, thank you.
Calm down.
Thank you, sir. Don't tell me to become sister. You don't know what this means to me.
You've seen my new house, right?
Yes, it is a palatial mansion. But you see, I think now you refer to this one as a small house, but to me, it is an edifice. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. This is my house.
Oh my dear, it's nothing.
Sister, God bless you.
Oh, come on,
Thank
don't
you
start.
so much.
Auntie, without telling us these stories, everybody in the village know that you are the brain behind her success.
Sister, so you're the one that handed that house over to her. And here you are, still telling us this story. Let's quickly go to that house and throw her out of the house.
Is that?
Peace. Calm down. I gave her that house on her birthday as a birthday gift. Surprise birthday gift.
Oh my freaking goodness!
Calm down.
Okay, I'm calm. Breathe in, out, in, out. Good. You know you're my blood. Yes. So dear to my heart. Oh.
You see this house and your name for your birthday?
Woo. Wow. Elizabeth, stop now. Stop now! Stop! No, wait, I want chocolate.
Double celebration.
I want chocolate.
Double.
Wait, DJ! What did I hear? Who did? Come on.
Wow. Auntie, you have really tried for her.
No one knows tomorrow.
Exactly. No one knows tomorrow.
Sister, if you had known today would be like this, you wouldn't have given her all that.
It's nothing, Peace. Sometimes in life, you get to see ups and downs. It's nothing.
Auntie, you're a good woman. That is why God keeps blessing you. Okay, let me not bore you with my... Let me have my juice.
Do please. Congratulations.
Thank you, Auntie. Ami Joma.
Who are you looking for?
I came to see Posh. She knows I'm coming.
So yeah, I'm coming.
Let me come inside.
No, I'm coming. Let me. One girl outside, she said she did look for you. She said her name is Ijoma.
Oh, Ijoma, please let her in. Please help me with the remote control.
You have crossed my path. You have crossed.
Hey girl, Angie. How are you? Fine. Good afternoon. How are you? Fine. Please sit down. Thank you. I hope it wasn't stressful coming down here. No. Oh yeah? You're welcome. Thank you. How was your journey? Are you sure this thing hasn't entered? Look at the way you're looking all big. Like Wikegi. What is going on?
Nothing has entered.
Are you sure? Ijoma, are you sure?
Nothing. Oh, Jaradine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Look at you. You're looking more big.
Thanks, Eriko. I see. The only thing she does is to eat my food. Don't mind her.
If she doesn't eat your food, who then?
Well, that's true. The last time I was in the village, they said you went to see your husband.
Yes. I went to see him to know how he's preparing.
And I guess the date is fast approaching.
Yes.
Look at her smiling. Now take it easy. But you still owe me one secret though. I'm still waiting for you to tell me. Because this your tummy, you used to have a flat tummy. What happened?
If I have it, I'll let you know. Why would I be hiding it from you? You know my
Auntie Joma, we have oha, we have egusi, we have banga, we have bitter leaf, we have rice. Which one do you prefer?
I think I'll go for rice. But give me a little time. Now.
Okay.
So?
Wine. Everywhere ofe. Onubu. Oha egusi. You choose rice.
Yes, now.
I
don't want to get fat.
Don't want to get rice is carbohydrate, so you will still get fat. Raise money.
Auntie!
Nico, also tell me. How are you guys preparing?
We're good. We're just good.
You bought everything you need, your drinks, your ring, everything.
If you want to help me then.
I hope you know Marie. No, mommy, that was a joke. Oh. Really, thank you. Thank you.
So delicious.
I prefer something else. Yeah. It was because you're eating rice. I'd rather have egusi soup and maybe some more of it.
Maybe one and one.
So, does it mean you don't eat swallow? I eat rice all the time.
Swallow is very, very heavy.
It's too heavy. You know, for me, it's actually better. Once I have it in the day, I try not to eat any other thing again for the whole of the day. Swallow. Yes, no. I think you should test rice. I eat rice every other day. Try to take it before you take swallow. I think it will help. Just a nut kiss and sweet. It's so sweet. Taste.
See, it's not that I don't want to listen to you people, though. But what you're asking me to do is very, very difficult. I can't have anything to do with Paulina again. Please. Please. There's not someone that doesn't have a womb. What will I be doing with that person?
Huh?
What? Which one is what? Are you acting film for me? Are you trying to tell me you're not aware?
I am not aware.
You're not aware?
Yes.
You want to hear it from my mouth?
Dubem, wait. How on earth do you know she can't conceive? How did you come up with that?
Even you. You that knows all her secrets. You're pretending.
Dubem, we are not pretending. This is a serious matter we are dealing with here right now. Stop joking, please. It's your girlfriend we are talking about here. You need to quit with the joke.
Wait, are you trying to tell me that you are not aware he slept with a man in Cotonou that took off her womb?
I am not aware.
Go and ask her now.
I should ask her?
Ask her, tell her I said so. She slept with a ritualist that took off her fallopian tube.
I'm scared though.
You better be, because you guys are birds of the same feather.
Dubem, please. If it's a joke, you better stop it. Okay?
It's not to speak English. The best thing is to amend your ways. Because your own might be, they will cut off your breast or your head. You should stop all this life, sleeping with people here and there. Please. And if she sends you to come and talk to me, tell her not to do it again, because I will not listen to any of you.
Girl, wait a minute. Is this guy being serious right now?
I am lost, honestly.
He better be joking. He better be joking. Seriously. Really?
Jesus Christ. I cover you with the blood of Jesus. Devil is a liar.
Young man, what is it? What is it?
Sir, there is something I see in you. That's love potion.
employer that has refused to listen to our advice follows the cops to the grave.
Where's that coming from?
I'm saying so because if you had listened to me, all this wouldn't be happening to you.
Why are you blaming me now?
I am blaming you because I told you. So bro, tell me, how much do you love this girl?
Of course I love her. More than you can ever imagine.
Listen, all I'm trying to say is you should be very careful. I mean, not all the glitters are gold.
Where's that coming from?
I mean, you see where the problem is. This girl is too classy for you, okay? Her type is the type that runs after everything in trousers just for money.
Look, guy, you're insulting my woman now.
I am not insulting your woman. I am telling you the truth. That girl is not your class.
Listen, I cannot sit here and watch you insult my woman. That is disrespectful.
Do you mean, why are you so stubborn? Why don't you want to accept the fact that...
this is it's okay. It's okay. Please, change topic. Please. Please. Enough.
Listen, I am only trying to tell you what I observed in
Ross,
her, okay?
now, leave gossip for women. It's okay now.
Okay, no problem.
Ha. Oh, wow. Leave gossip for women.
God, I don't know why. I just don't know why I keep telling you about this girl and you won't believe me. I just saw your girl again now.
You saw my girl where?
At Squatch Club. And this time chilling with the big boys.
You saw my own girlfriend at Squash Club?
Yes.
Posh. But is that why you're here?
Yeah, yes. And you see, this time there's this particular Yahoo boy I know very much in this town. One of the big boys in town now. The way that guy was just holding and pressing her anyhow in public, I just don't like it.
See the way you just fabricated the whole story, making it look very, very sweet. Why do you hate Posh? Can you just kindly tell me why you hate Posh? Huh?
I do not hate her, I am telling you the truth.
Of course you do. Which truth? What are you saying?
Okay, if you think I am lying to you, get your car keys, let's go down there and you see for yourself.
I am not going anywhere with you. Just tell me, why do you hate Posh? It's very simple. What do you stand to gain by saying so many bad things about her? You want me to hate her? Is that what you stand to gain?
Why are you so stubborn? Eh? Just get your keys, let's go there now, you will see for yourself.
See what for myself. My girl that I called that is in her auntie's house.
She's lying! She's lying!
Someone I just spoke to now. Please, just leave. I've told you, stop listening. No. Stop listening.
Oh, which can woman be this?
You calm down. I have asked you, why do you hate Posh so much you cannot answer?
Where is she
now? Where is she? Where is she?
But you caused this whole thing now.
Please.
All the time I was trying to convince you.
All the time you are trying to convince me. What you stand to gain is spoiling another person's name.
All the time I was trying to convince you to come here. If we had come here earlier, we would have seen her. Huh? Now she's gone. You calm down now, calm down. How about?
I know I should have listened to you.
Well, I knew a day like this would come. Yes.
Thank you for being there for me and for telling me the truth, at least, you know.
Well, it's okay, at least you're fine now. Even at that, bro, you still need to be very careful about this other woman. I mean, Lizzie J is even more dangerous than Posh.
You think so?
Yes, I know so.
Well, I have learnt my lessons, of course. Once beaten, I can't fall for that. You know, but you cannot compare Lizzie J to Posh. It's not in any way comparable. Lizzie J is more better than Posh.
Why do you believe so much in her?
Of course, because she saved me from jumping into fire. What if I had gotten married to Paulina? Think of it. What if?
Well, even at that, you still need to be very, very careful. Remember, she's their woman leader. I mean, she corrupts them all.
I know, but at least I'm not thinking of settling down with her. But I was thinking of settling down with Posh. My guy, let's leave all these things and go to the kitchen to prepare something. I'm famished.
Well, it's okay, if you say so.
Posh, please, I want to beg in the name of God. Whatever transpired between you people, I still believe that you guys can make peace again. I mean, we are one blood. Look, people have started laughing at us because of this. Please, if it's difficult for you to approach her, I can do it.
I never knew Elizabeth was this wicked until this case emerged. Did you hear what she did to Auntie Posh in the cell?
No, I didn't hear it.
She bribed the police to torture Auntie Posh and not to grant her bail so she can die in the cell.
It's a lie.
Ask Auntie Posh. Thank God she's the one it happened to.
You see, anything that has to do with Elizabeth, I don't even want to hear. As far as I'm concerned, Elizabeth is dead. She is dead and gone. Oh, please don't tell me that. There is no way in this life I can ever make peace with Elizabeth. It will never ever happen. I am going to say it and I will say it again. Right now, I don't even care what she thinks about me. As for me, Elizabeth is dead and gone. Even if I see her spirit, I will kill her spirit.
Jesus Christ. You mean it has gotten up to this?
Please. I really don't want to spoil my mood this afternoon. I heard what you said about your traditional marriage. As for Elizabeth, I don't want to hear anything about her. Biko, please. So you said, my mood is just... By the way, congratulations. You mean the color of the day is brown and white? Yeah. This is your color combination, not the way we... How do they open it?
Jesus Christ. I cover you with the blood of Jesus. Devil is a liar.
Young man, what is it? What is it?
Sir, there is something I see in you. That's love potion.
All these backyard pastors. So you think I can fall victim? It's not possible, it's not me that can fall mugu. It's not possible. Just imagine.
My cousin tied you. You are under a spell.
It is not possible. I cannot be under a spell.
Chief, you are laughing at your own detriment.
Mama JJ. Mama JJ. Mama JJ. Mama JJ. This is hook up. Mama J and her guest on the hook up. Oh my God, sweet, beautiful girls. Oh, Mama J girls. Classic girls, they are ready for hookah. Call Mama J to avoid problems. Push baby, baby, push baby, 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 push baby, baby, push baby, baby, baby.
What if this thing is true?
Are you still doubting it? No, you're actually doubting it, girl.
Honestly, I'm really doubting it. But the guy sounded so sure.
It was Mama J that told him everything.
This woman is not good if that be the case.
I can tell you for sure that she knows about this from the get-go.
Eh? So, what do we do? Should we tell her?
Eh? Girl, did I just hear you suggest we tell her? No way. You're on your own. You can do that all by yourself. I'm not telling her anything. In fact, I did not hear anything. Please.
And you. Just that I feel sorry for her.
I actually feel sorry too for her, but the truth is, there is nothing we can do about this thing. Or, where on earth do you expect her to go look for the man? Nowhere.
She can go to Cotonou now. Eh?
Oh wait.
It happened in Cotonou, right?
And you actually think this man will sit his ass down somewhere waiting for her to pop up out of the blues to come ask for her fallopian tube? Is that what you are saying? No, listen to yourself. Does this make sense?
What else do you want me to say? I'm just confused.
If you don't know what to say, you better keep it short. Please, just shut up. Pretend you did not hear anything. That's the only way to go about this. Please.
Mama J J J. Mama J J J. Mama J J J. Mama J J J. This is hook up. Mama J and her gaze on the hookah. Oh my God, sweet, sweet, beautiful girls. Oh, Mama J girls, classic girls.
Yes, sir.
I'm looking for one man, one pastor.
Which pastor, sir?
One young man with beard.
I haven't seen anyone like that.
But I saw him here not quite long.
Sorry, I haven't seen anyone.
Guess you're ready for the hookah. The men are waiting for you. I know I love you, but no one goes out without my consent. Mama J, 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 Mama J. Walangida no be wako cha. No be wako. Kaki no be leda hata. No be leda. Enjoyment today. Opana rugi. Opana rugi. Walangida no be wako cha. Mama. No be wako. Kaki no be leda hata. Mama. No be leda. Enjoyment today. Opana rugi. Opana rugi. Well, one wire hariboa. Maka igwe nine jokonozua. Be contented with what you have. Cause good things never come in a comfort zone. Just go out and walk a very good walk. There are things you cannot show or tell someone, not even your blood, no your siblings. If alone make one year, put a gafa family and if I want to go, there's one affair. Sinu ko chalacha andige chuechu e macho ekufe. Be contented with what you have, 'cause good things never come in a comfort zone. Just go out and walk a very good walk. There are things you cannot show or tell someone, not even your blood, no your siblings. If alone make one year, if alone messy, una putoka for family and your chicken tifa. If I want to go so na fear. If alone make one mama, if alone messy, if alone make one mama, chicken tifa. If I want to go so na fear. Sinu ko chalacha andige chuechu e macho ekufeda will ever remain here, but your own case is different here. You choose to rub yourself in the mud. Okwana piti ichira wego iniro balangida no be wako chacha, no be walk. Kaki no be leather at all. No be leather. Enjoyment today. Opana rugi tomorrow. Opana rugi.
without me now?
Yeah. Eh? I was looking for you. Eh? So you, where did you go to after the occasion?
I was there. I was even looking for you as well.
Anyway, I came back to ease myself. Hey, can you imagine? Eh? Can you imagine how that stupid girl and her friends were throwing money on Sister Elizabeth?
Insult.
Didn't you see it?
Mama, Sister Elizabeth has condoned enough shit from that girl already.
Exactly. I swear. Mama, who is Paulina? One bashi Paulina. Paulina of yesterday.
My children, obviously, Paulina is looking for trouble.
Nine, that trouble, she will carry it with her own.
Mom.
Mama, Papa, I want you both to know that this girl is out for something.
My children, I noticed it.
9, I was even thinking Elizabeth will attack them.
Mama, you see those girls that she came with? Those girls are ever-ready girls. See those girls? They are very ready to scatter everything. But I'm sure that it was Sister Elizabeth that gave them sign to be calm.
That one is not my business. And it's not our business either. See, let me tell you. Any day that Paulina crosses our paths, or my paths, if she doesn't kill me that day, I will kill her. Of course. You know what I can do?
My children, everything is not violent. Huh?
Ha, Papa. Even the Bible says that the kingdom of God suffereth violence. And it is only the violent that can do what? Take it by force.
By force. That is it.
You see, Sister Paulina, she's not the kind of a person that you can handle with soft handle. If not, Butoriagi.
She wants to kill me. She will kill her own head.
She's dead already. Please, let me go and pull off.
Children of nowadays.
There's something else. There's something else.
No be walk, no be walk, no be leather at all. No be leather. Enjoyment today. Opana rugi, tomorrow. Opana rugi. Balangida no be walk,
Madam, please, you park wrongly. You park wrongly.
My guy, no worry. Might just speak one thing here. They come out.
Madam, no, people are parking here.
I'm not going to waste time. Don't worry.
Baby, guess what?
What?
Jackie's car.
Oh my God! See, don't stress yourself. That's my friend's car. Yes. I'll be out shortly.
Let's buy one or two things.
In case she comes out before us, call me.
Be contented with what you have, 'cause good things never come in a comfort zone. Just go out and walk a very good walk. There are things you cannot show or tell someone, not even your blood, no your siblings. If alone make one year, if alone messy,
What rubbish?
Who parks this car here?
No, what nonsense?
What kind of parking is this?
Who parked this car right here? Check!
Who parked this car here?
They went up.
Check it. I think this is Jenny's car. Yes. Yes, you're right. It's her car. Why did you let her park right on my
Let me call her.
Call her?
Yes.
Why would you allow somebody to just...
Start calling her immediately!
Madam, calm down. Let me call her. She even gave me her card.
Let me see the card. Oh, she gave you her card.
No, we don't call
I said it. This is Jenny's car. She did it on purpose. Just take a look at it. Oh my God. Wait. Let me call her.
You did not see
Mr. Man, why will you allow somebody to park and block us? Why?
But she said you are the friend that she knows you.
Really?
Yes.
That means she did it on purpose. Wait.
My God.
I'm sorry.
She just busied my car.
Let me call her.
Can you imagine this bitch busied my car?
That means she did it on purpose.
Mr. Security, are you calling her or not? Listen, I'm running out of patience. Are you calling her or not?
She's not picking my call.
She's not picking.
Hey!
And you let her block me this way?
You slapped me.
And I will do that again. No. Allow me hit it. Jackie, stop. No. Allow me hit it. Jackie, just stop. No. What are you going to do?
No, because I'm a security man here.
Are you going to beat me? No, pick me up. Can you just go and call her? Go and call her, security man.
No problem.
Did I send you on an errand? Idiot! Am I your government?
Jackie, you shouldn't have slapped him.
No, this guy is a dummy, and he needs to be told that he is a one.
But why would Jenny just park and she actually did it on purpose?
So why is she?
I didn't see her.
You did not see her.
Yes.
Did you hear that? No, did you hear that? He did not see her. So what are we going to do?
Can you just calm down? Let us go inside the car. Sit down and wait. That is
Sorry.
what she wants.
But she said she knows you, that you are the friend.
You see?
Yes.
You see, I told you she did it on purpose.
Oh, she actually said that to you.
Yes.
Let's just go to the car.
I don't catch it today now. Eh? How be you be this?
Okay. What is the meaning of this?
Are you seriously asking me that? Eh? When all you do is to go around the village, eh? Tell you who cares to know your nonsense. Wait though, Ebere, am I Paulina that has issues with your sister?
Okay. Me, Ebere, gossip with your name. Over what exactly? Eh? See, I want to tell you something. Do not stop me on the way again to say rubbish. Please, this will be the first and last day. I don't blame you.
Wait, Joe, I'm not done. Come back here. See, I laugh at you with pidgin English. Eh? You see you must have my time today. Eh? Because right now you don't read like this, so where are you? We die for here like this. You know they get
See, I've always known you a mad person. Don't stop me on the way again to say rubbish.
See, you got see man next day.
Hey! Yeah? What is this? You? It's right from your head.
Mama, Oge had the gut to fight me on my way coming back from the stream. And she broke my gown.
How I say? It's a lie. And what did you do to her?
Mama, nothing, no. She said I'm gossiping her name in the village. Can you imagine?
That is why she has to fight you and break your gallon.
Yes, Mama. And as it stands now, I am not going to take it. Oge has drawn a battle line between me and her in this family.
Just come here. Hold it. Pick it up, I'm coming. Pick it up, I'm coming. Just wait for me. They want to fight. Alele! Let's go. Move. Let's go. Move. Now. Move now. She will see me.
Oh, you know
my dear.
Jenny, why would you do this to us? We've been waiting for you.
Oh, really? Hey! Freaking blocked my way simply because you know I was the one, right? What? Really? Jackie, no find my trouble because I go use your body clean ground. I go use your body clean this ground. Not just for your hand. Not just for your hand. I tell you. What you did was not right. We have been waiting for you. If you talk anyhow, I go what's your next slap? I go what's your second slap? Don't try me. Get out. Just the move. Go far. I will come out. You're waiting. You're waiting. Just move your car. I'm not going to leave. I'm not going to leave. Come. You never challenge. Jenny. You never challenge. Finish. Move your car. Jenny. Just stop. I will scatter you. Really? Exactly. Come here.
Allow me. I'm not even going to do it. Okay. Hey. No. Let us fight. Hey, kill her. Okay. Kill her. Okay. Another blow. Okay. I trust you. Yes.
Hello, little handsome.
Hi.
How have you been?
I'm okay. Please have a seat.
Oh no, I don't have to.
Why?
I came to give you a surprise. So, close your eyes. Eyes closed.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Ta-dam.
What?
Yeah.
You bought me a car.
Come on, I told you.
You bought me a car. It's a lie.
Come here.
Mama JJ.
Wow.
Mama JJ.
Wow.
Mama JJ.
This is it. This is it. This is it.